Chapter 3. Sound of A. Read, speak and learn. At, bat, cat, hat, rat, fat, mat, an, can, fan, pan, man, van, ran. More words with A sound. At, bat, cat, hat, fat, mat, rat, an, can, fan, man, pan, ran, van, add, bad, dad, lad, mad, sad, pad, ag, bag, fag, lag, rag, sag, tag, app, cap, gap, lap, nap, map, sap. Look and read aloud. A cat on a mat. A fat lad has a cap. The bat and a rat. A man has a bag. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing vowel. Cat, pan, bat, bag, hat, mat. Write 2 A-sound words under each column. Take help from the clue box given below. Bat, cat, bag, tag, van, man, dad, lad,